Well, welcome back, everybody. It's great to be back with you. Sorry I couldn't be with you here earlier in the week outside of the Wednesday morning class, that incredible jury trial that I was a juror on, and boy, I won for the books. And so, of course, we did that really powerful class for you guys Wednesday morning, and we could talk about that more in a few moments. But first, let's go ahead and actually talk about where we're at with this market. I've warned you repeatedly about this weekly, SPY resistance that we had up here. Back over here, we had that same resistance where it came right up there, failed right at that level. We came up over here weeks ago, failed at that level. We had the quick news-related push back up that got sold hard into a few days ago here, and now we're sitting there at lows at a key support area that we're going to be watching very closely going into Friday. So this resistance continues to be just like over here, right? It hit it, pull back, hit it, pull back. Continues to be very powerful resistance here, and that's why I keep warning you about it over and over. And of course, that led to, talking about that training from the other day. Everything I talked about the other day just came absolutely true, screaming out of the box this morning. The hourly chart had overnight been a big fat sell-off, came in here into the early morning hours, stalling out at target 1, then shot down to target 2, and then continued on here. Then started getting a little bit of a retracement after it hit those extreme levels. Looking at it tighter on some of the key areas that we like to watch, you'll notice that what happened here, we fired off a sell signal there earlier this morning, and that led to a great move down to target 2, which then pulled back up, and then that led to the runaway back down, which I told you the blue dots in a downtrend are fresh re-entry sell signals from my perspective, and that market went ahead and took right back off again. That was on the 5-minute chart. Looking at it for the 1-minute time frame perspective, same thing. You see we went ahead and we sold off, got down below the channel, pulled back into the channel, rolled back over, came to target 2, pulled up off of target 2, pulled up a little bit higher back to the midpoint, which is so important, and rolled right back over. So that's where you get those runaways from, and then off to the races it went. So that led to the trading that I went in and did this morning, which is great stuff. We'll talk more about that here on Saturday. But everything we talked to you guys about Wednesday morning absolutely came true. So we're going to go ahead and do it all one more time, putting it together. I keep telling you about these things in advance, then they go ahead and they play out. And the point with that is this methodology continues to go ahead and do what I'm expecting it to do. And so these are the important tools that you need going into the remainder of this year and of course into 2023, because it's going to be quite a ride, and you can either be the hunter or the hunted. And so I want to go ahead and do this class one more time. So the last time publicly you guys will see me, I'll be doing private client training events, like I have one coming up next Monday. But for all of you as part of my student family, no matter who you are all over the world, what level of trader or investor you are, whether you're a full-time active trader investor, you're a part-time, like to play around with the market when you can, this particular class is for everybody. So this is not my ITP class, this is my TRP class. So this is going to be a really great class. And everything I just taught you here, Wednesday morning came true here, Thursday morning here. So it's super important. If you missed any part of it, want to review it again, obviously I'm going to be updating and sharing more information to you in light of what's happened since I did the class. So that's going to be super important for you to go ahead and see. You saw how Ziad used it yesterday in the live trading room. He did the video for me last night. And, now, you saw why I was focusing on the short side here this morning as well. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to build upon all of those different things. So everything here is happening. It's a very important time, and we now have all this resistance above us here, and so you're going to need to know how to work within that and below here. So we're going to talk about that heavily this Saturday. All right, so go to becomeabettertrader.com/go, becomeabettertrader.com/go, and I will see you this Saturday morning at 10 o'clock Eastern, 9 o'clock Central, 7 a.m. Pacific for the last public training event of the year with me. Cannot wait to go. In fact, it really is the last public event for about a month here until the Wealth 365 Summit, and because I'm going to be focusing on all those big, great releases we're doing for the Wealth 365 Summit, which, boy, that's going to knock your socks off. So super excited there. And in the meantime, let's make sure you get to the TRP. What a fitting way to end the year. Something incredible for all the traders and investors to go ahead and watch. You guys have a great night. I'll look forward to seeing you here Saturday morning at 10 a.m. for this very special event. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.